Wait a minute now. Last time I smoked a bong was back in 1970.
Nah, you got this.
Not live then. What, two?
This 2022.
I'm gonna say 4. 74. I would say 79. I'm talking
Right after Blue Oyster Cult.
Yeah, jack weed. Get some fucking real shit. Garbage. Mama says you don't get off till you cough.